So, on the back of my very successful first cooking video, the website's gone mad, as you can imagine. Some really positive comments. I'll go through some here now. I've never heard of half of these ingredients. That's lovely. Thanks, Nadia. Yes, was lovely, but nothing beats hot butter on a crumpet. Okay, well, good. I mean, I think the message has got through there anyway, so slowly but surely. Because obviously, the oat and raisin cookies, which I think was the unanimous victor of the vote that I put out to all my subscribers, and oat and raisin cookies came out first. Now, the problem is we're in lockdown, so I didn't have any of the ingredients, but my wonderful matron at the urgent care at Chase Farm, Julia Chapman, came to my rescue. She went and got me some plastic encased oats. Boo! Anyway, everything comes in plastic, so we can't help that. So, great. And I said, oh, it's really good, Julia, but unfortunately I need maple syrup. And there wasn't any maple syrup. So, I thought I got away with it. But then, the next week, Julia came with a tin of golden syrup. It's not maple syrup. That's because maple syrup is run by gangsters and we can't get hold of any. So thank you to Julia and for also giving me this extra bit of work. So let's get cracking. So first of all, we need 85 grams or 3 ounces of dark brown sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. And 70 grams of butter. I'm just going to use coconut oil. 125 grams of flour, or actually I'm using wholemeal flour. 200 grams of oats. 2 egg whites. And the last one, golden syrup. Not that I need much help with this, but I've got to pour 100 mils of this into that. And then I've got to pour it in. But it's just so sticky, I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do this. But here we go, here's 100 mil. Oh, I'm never going to stop this pouring out. Oh, ah! Oh, stop, oh, oh, that is on the money. Look at that. You can't see that, can you? Okay, right, so we add the coconut butter to the... Where's the sugar gone? There! Oh, right, thank you. Just joking, it's a joke, yeah? Apparently you need to get this really fluffy, like that. It's probably best to use a wooden spoon to do this. Oh my god, this is going to take forever! This looks really fluffy. Wow, you might have to, maybe you want to come back in a bit? Okay, some hours later, here we are. This is apparently fluffy. It looks lumpy and dry to me. And now we add the syrup. I can already feel this is going to be difficult to mix in. Yum. Who feels like putting their mouth just underneath this? Anyone? There's about 50 ml still left stuck to the side here. I'm not entirely sure how you're meant to... Oh, I've got most of it out. Right, see that? Now the magic of TV. Alright. Now we're cooking with gas, aren't we? In here, I've got 125 grams of flour, or actually I'm using wholemeal flour. And then into that we want 200 grams of oats. We chuck this all in here. Oh, this is quite... Okay, we'll mix that in a second. Okay, next, 2 egg whites. This is how I put egg whites in. What you do is you crack it here, and what you do is you gently... Let's try it again. You've got to be very careful. What you do is you get the white, and you just get the white in, and... Oh! So next we need is half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. I know for most people who bake this is probably an obvious thing, but make sure you mix the bicarb so it's all fluffy. Half a teaspoon. bicarb. Just sprinkle that in. Half a teaspoon of salt that we've got straight from the Himalayas, which is really eco-friendly, obviously. Right, and we're going to mix that all together. 30 grams of raisins. But unfortunately, due to the lockdown, we haven't got any raisins, so I'm going to replace that with leftover chocolate. Let's get stirring. Okay, so that's what it looks like after we've given it a mix. Let's just chop this finely. Obviously, raisins would have been slightly easier if you have them. Let's get this over here. Shove that in. Nice dark chocolate, anti-cancer, anti-aging, anti-COVID-19. Was 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right, there you go. Right, and don't forget, let's get the oven on because we're going to start putting this on. So the oven's 190 degrees. Okay, people, so make sure you have stirred everything in well and thorough, especially the vanilla. I've been told you can put these on using 2 spoons. You just basically dollop them on like this, one at a time.
That's the shape of the biscuits you want them to be.
Yep.
So you want them to be that shape.
So we just dollop them out like this and we'll come back to you. Okay, that's about 12 minutes. Let's see what our cookies look like. It's exciting. Ready? Right, that's not good. That's not good at all. That looks like a pizza. Right, so what we'll do is let's continue making this, what I'm going to call now my oat chocolate pizza. And as you can see, it looks perfect. Wow, that's going to make one very hungry person happy. So let's get that out of the oven and see what the hell's going on. Right, let's see what my oat pizza bake cake looks like. Oh, I really hope it looks like a pizza. Oh, yay, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. So, as with all pizzas, a pizza cutter is very important. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut on the line. There we go. Not laughing now, are you? What a rescue. There we go. So, as you can see, it's nice and crunchy, as all pizza should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this all up, put them in the box, and we'll get it over to Julia and Chase Farm Urgent Care. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, it doesn't look like a biscuit, but this really is the real test. Here we go. Okay, everyone, so here's the moment of truth. This is the lovely Julia Chapman, the hardest working matron in the NHS. Julia, this is for you.
Thank you.
And thanks for setting me the challenge.
Oh, that's so fantastic.
Yeah.
Did you do this all by yourself?
With no help at all.
Wow, I'm
Yeah.
really impressed.
And
Thank you so much.
How do they taste? Just pretend you taste.
I think that they are absolutely delicious.
Marvellous.
And I'm really sorry that we had to make do with the different syrup and it wasn't maple, but you know what? It's sterling.
Exactly.
Absolutely lovely.
Wonderful. Thank you, Julia.
No, thank you.